And I saw her standing there looking so fine, one of a kind. She looks great from the front and her behind so fine. She has big back ties, which really makes me inspired. Gasoline and girls rock my world. And her headlights really shines bright. She has an amazing pair of cards that makes me hard not to stare. And I saw her standing there. She's on fire. Her long traction bars lets her put down the power hard. I like her raised at the back and her front's down low, and she's certainly ready to go. And what a badass ride when I'm inside the seats. Hug you tight, this car's out of sight. A real badass, that's right. Gasoline and girls rock my world. When I push the gas pedal in, she squeals as the tires spin. Her back squats down low and my shocks rock hard, and you get that thrust in your back. A blast from the past, she's so fast. Yes, girls rock my world. She's on fire. Yeah. The view from the rear is divine as she lays down the power. Wow. I'm in love and glad she's mine. Oh, what a ride, a badass ride. Gasoline and girls rock my world. Yes, gasoline and girls rock my world. Yeah, rock my world. Let's have rock my world. Let's have and she's one of a kind and oh so fine. I'm glad she's mine. Yeah, she's blonde and she's a Max's me machine and fulfills my dreams. Yeah, from my dreams. Gasoline and girls rock my world. Yeah, rock my world. Let's have a ride. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Just be believing. Can't you bounce like some Max's mean machine? It fulfills my dreams. Yeah, for my dreams. Gasoline dreams. Gasoline and girls rock my world.